is challenges in speech style. By the way, welcome back to the Speaking of Spectrum. Speech style is a critical component of effective communication. It is the unique way each of us expresses our thoughts and ideas, influenced by our backgrounds, experiences, and personal preference. However, navigating different speech styles can be tricky, and today we'll uncover some of the common challenges speakers face. Let's break it down into the three main areas. We have clarity, audience and adaptation, and authenticity. Let's talk about the segment 1, which is clarity. First, clarity is one of the most common challenges in speech style is ensuring that your message is clear and easily understood by your audience. This involves enunciation, pace, and vocabulary choice. So let's take a closer look. Imagine you're listening to a speaker who is mumbling, speaking too quickly, or using complex jargon. It's too frustrating, right? Here are a few tips to enhance clarity. First, enunciation. Practice speaking clearly, articulating each word. This can be improved with vocal exercises and by recording and listening to yourself. Second, pacing. Find a comfortable speaking pace. Speaking too quickly can overwhelm listeners, while speaking too slowly can bore them. Third, vocabulary. Tailor your vocabulary to your audience level of understanding. And avoid using jargon unless you're sure your audience is familiar with it. By the way, a useful exercise to improve clarity is to read a passage aloud and record it. Play it back and listen for any mumble words or weakened pauses. This can help you identify areas for improvement. Part of this advantage is inconsistency. Inconsistent tone and pitch might confuse the audience or dilute the message's clarity. Segment 3, we have a speed and rhythm. The advantage for this is emphasis and clarity. Controlled by speed and rhythm can emphasize key points and ensure clarity. We have also an engagement. Varied speed and rhythm can maintain the audience attention and enhance the narrative flow. A third disadvantage, overspeeding. Speaking too fast can overwhelm listener and hinder comprehension. We have also monotony. A monotonous rhythm can bore the audience and reduce engagement. Segment 4, we have a vocabulary and jargon. The advantage, we have precision and efficiency. In precision, using specific vocabulary and jargon can convey precise meanings and show expertise in a subject. In efficiency, jargon can communicate complex ideas efficiently within a knowledgeable group. For her disadvantage, we have exclusion. At this, excessive jargon can exclude those who are not familiar with the terms, leading to a misunderstanding. Next is complexity. Using complex vocabulary unnecessarily can complicate the message and reduce its clarity. Last is segment 5, which is nonverbal communication. For her advantage, support and emphasis. It means nonverbal cues. Next is segment 5, nonverbal communication. For her advantage, it is support and emphasis. Nonverbal cues like gestures and facial expression can support and emphasize the spoken message. This is engagement. Effective nonverbal communication can engage the audience and convey emotions more vividly. For her disadvantages, misalignment. Nonverbal cues that do not align with the verbal message can create confusion and mistrust. Last is over-reliance. Over-reliance or Nonverbal communication can lead to misunderstanding if not accompanied by clear verbal clues. And for the conclusion, today we explore the advantage and disadvantage of speech style in terms of formality, tone and speech, speed and rhythm, vocabulary and jargon, and nonverbal communication. Understanding these elements can help you communicate more effectively in different situations.